let's talk about the worst people, those tip baiters, man. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna talk about tip baiting in a bit. What are you? We did talk about this a bit, but I did want to offer tips for making more money. So, like, what kind of tricks do you use to increase your hourly rate and like
Okay.
strategies for shopping in the store to be faster, stuff like
Yeah.
that?
What's that game show? Like Supermarket Sweep or something like that?
Yeah,
Yeah. That's what I'm like in the store. I just like
yeah,
sprint down the aisles, and I'm not kidding though. Like I move fast. Like I mean, I know I'm like not really answering your question yet, but I swear that I will. But that is another thing that I really like about this is just like the benefit of versus Uber and Lyft where you're sitting in a car all day. Like that's
yeah.
miserable. Like it's so nice to be moving around.
I was having a
So
good
nice.
discussion with somebody about that too. Like, with the difference between driving Uber and Lyft, like you're exhausted after driving mentally and physically, but
Yeah,
you're not burning any calories and you're
exactly.
just getting
Yeah.
fat, I
Well,
guess.
I mean, I know it's true. Like I've already had comments about my weight gain on my videos, which is fine. Like I'm gonna address it now. Yeah, I put on 30 pounds since I started doing Uber and Lyft. Like
No
I'm not
way.
gonna blame it all on Uber and Lyft, but yeah, I gained 30 pounds since I started Uber and Lyft.
Oh
I
wow.
stopped bartending though. Like that's such an active job. Like so going from bartending to Uber and Lyft and sitting in a car all day, like it just my body was in shock.
Definitely, yeah.
Um, so yeah, moving again is so effing nice. But yeah, you were talking about tips I had for making more money. There are definitely a couple of things that I do that I think help. And
Wait,
I think,
hold on. I kind of want to like talk about the exercise thing for a bit because
yeah, okay.
I think it's like it's a really nice perk of doing Instacart too.
Yeah.
And like when I was doing Uber and Lyft like full time, um, it was like I had to really be uh, what's it called? Like I really had to focus on getting my work like exercise in other ways because I knew that like if I did it, it was like hard to really like dedicate time to that. In my
Yeah.
other job, I was walking around, so it was like good to have that balance. But like, I needed to make sure I was getting like even proper sleep too, and like rest. And it's like pretty dangerous doing Uber and Lyft, especially when you are
Yeah.
tired and
It's hard on
stuff.
your body.
Yeah, but
I
like,
mean,
but I feel like with Instacart, it's like a little bit less risk in that you're not transporting people, firstly, and you're
mm-hmm.
not tired while transporting people. So like obviously driving is a dangerous activity, right?
Yeah.
Whether you're the best driver in the world or the worst, it's kind of out of your control.
Right.
But with Instacart, I think it could be a good incentive for some people to see that it is it's good exercise too.
Yeah. No,
So
I mean, I 100% agree with that. And I mean, that incentivizes me some in my hustle too when I'm shopping. So, I mean, I know that I'm burning more calories when I'm like sprinting down an aisle. So,
do you track your steps or no?
no, I have a Fitbit, but
Yeah.
I don't know. I just can't get into it.
I've started doing that now that like I don't have a gym membership anymore. So I try to hit 10,000 steps a day, which is like maybe 3 miles, like walking, which is like a decent amount. Like, but
Right.
I'm sure you're hitting like a lot of steps. Like,
Oh yeah, no
yeah.
doubt.
And also loading groceries and unloading, like it's
Mm-hmm.
kind of a pain, but like it's a
No,
good
I don't
exercise.
mind it. Sometimes there are heavy things like big cases of water and whatnot, but giant bags of dog food, I kind of like it,
Yeah.
honestly. I enjoy that part of it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's cool. That's cool. That's a good like perk as well, I guess.
Right.